is the heart of a woman. Yeah.
What's poppin', y'all? It's your girl Team Stacy, and I'm back, baby. I said I'm back with another YouTube video. And if you are new to my channel, hello. But if you're a returning subscriber, what's up, my girl?
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year.
Alrighty, my love, so in today's video we are going to be doing a spring makeup look. I love spring so much. Spring just makes me so excited, so you know it's only right I had to bring you guys this beautiful simple spring makeup look. Okay, for the springtime, I feel like you never really need to do too much. You really just want to focus on dewy, glowy skin and just letting your natural face just eat the world up. Okay, so if you are excited to see how we achieve this easy spring makeup look, then keep on watching. Okay, my love, so let's jump right into it. So first thing I'm going to grab is my Il Makiage Power Lift primer. This is a primer and moisturizer in one, and we really want hydrating dewy skin. Now we're jumping straight into my eyebrows. Eyebrows are so important in this look because we don't really have to overcompensate. We're doing very light hair strokes, just kind of like filling it in. That's the main thing with spring makeup. You want everything just to give very natural, very sun-kissed, and very I woke up ladies. Okay, next up we're going to take the One Size B12 Base Thinner. This is just like this hydrating dewy kind of like thing that you mix in with your foundation, but I kind of like it on my skin because it kind of just helps with it being more radiance. And speaking of radiance, we're going to go ahead and take the Radiance booster from Juvias Place. This is a little bit more tan, so we're going to mix it in with the NARS Tahoe foundation. I know that's a mouthful, but this is how I'm getting that flawless base for spring. Okay, it's giving vacation, it's giving put me on a yacht, it's giving that girl. And to blend it all out, I'm grabbing my kabuki brush from Killer Cosmetics because she gets the job done. It really just makes my complexion look so even, and it makes my base just look very skin-like. Now we're jumping in with the Tarte Cosmetics concealer. Tarte is that girl, she's the OG, and she just gets the job done. This is a very, very light color, so we want to highlight my face, but as you see, I'm not using too much concealer. And with that same concealer, I'm just highlighting my brow bone as well. With the Tarte concealer, you want to move a little bit fast because she does dry down very fast, but we're just kind of spreading it out, and now I'm going in to blend it just so it can be nice blended and it just doesn't get too dry down and we can't even make it move. Okay, but if that ever happens to you, just take a little bit of your setting spray, preferably like a hydrating one, and it'll kind of loosen up the concealer so you can go back in and blend. Next up, we're jumping into our contour. So this is a black opal contour stick, well, foundation stick, and this is in shade Hazelnut. This is one of the crucial steps to achieving that perfect spring makeup look. One, you want your base to be dewy, hydrating, glowy, but then you really want to give sun kiss, girl. You could be in the middle of the winter, baby. Okay, I need you to get very much tan, very much you in South Florida, even if you somewhere cold, okay? And you know it's only right you have to do some blush with a spring look. So I'm using the Juvias Place new cream blushes, and this is in shade Charming Coral. I really like this color because I just feel like it's just giving such a cute vibe for spring. And as you saw, I put a little bit on my nose. Then I'm going to take Juvias Place liquid blush in Pink Lady just so it could be a little bit more brighter, more intense. Paired together, these two shades is definitely screaming spring, okay? Also, if you saw, I added a little bit to my nose. I just feel like that's also going to give that sun-kissed, I'm at the beach today kind of vibe. So I'm taking my time blending her out. Then I decided to add just a little bit more concealer because with all that blush, it was kind of coming up very high under my eye. So just to make sure under my eye is nice, bright, and with concealer, instead of just straight blush, we're just adding a little bit, you know, just to bring it back. But this part is optional. You don't have to do this. This is just Stacy being Stacy, which is extra, okay? Next up, I'm grabbing the Revolution in Real Life setting powder. This powder is a very, very white. Okay, this is translucent as translucent can get, but I feel like it leaves a little bit of a white cast. But I'm not gonna lie, I cannot find my other setting powders, so I just had to use this for now. Later on in the video, I will go back in and reset my face with the Huda Beauty. The Huda Beauty, I believe I got shade Translucent as well, but it has a little bit more warmth to it versus just like this ice white. But but regardless, I'm taking it and setting my whole entire face. That is also very important with your spring makeup look. If you're going for that dewy, hydrating look, you still want to set your face because you want the makeup to last, because if not, your face is going to be on the floor, and not the face, the makeup, because it's going to slide off with the heat, the sun, and all that. Here, I'm just taking a little bit more of my foundation, carving out my eyebrows, and then I'm putting a little bit of eyebrow glue or lash glue on my eyebrows. This is just to make my hairs kind of like pop out and like stay together though, because like it gets really hot, it gets really sweaty, and you can easily wipe your eyebrows off. So this is just going to ensure every hair is in place and everything is just kind of like, you know, just locked in. Now I'm going to take the One Size lip liner, and this is in shade Prime Fish. It's a pink shade. You guys know I love me a brown lip liner with a nude lip, but I just feel like for spring we can play with some colors. I'm taking the new NYX Fat Oil Lip Drip, and this is in shade Miss Call. It's a really pretty pink. I'm just popping that on my lips, and then like I told you guys, I went back in with that Huda Booty because baby, I need my face to stay. With all this hydrating business, we need it to last. Okay, so this is how you're gonna make it last in that hot summer sun. Next up, we're gonna set my face with the Ready Set Sealed from Juvias Place. This is also very hydrating. I also paired it with the Il Maquillage setting spray, but I didn't show here, but you want to finalize it with the One Size Until Dawn. Now this is crucial. I know this is not makeup, but you need to be glowing, so make sure you use a nice body oil on your skin just to match that dewy face, hair getting laid to the gourds. Okay, we also went for like a yaki wig because you don't want like a silky straight, because when it gets hot, girl, your hair gonna frizz up. So this just works. All right, my love, so that's the end of our spring makeup tutorial. I was so excited to do this video. Like, I'm literally so freaking excited. I just feel like spring is just so pretty. It literally is just such a vibe, like literally such a vibe. And I just feel like we can just bring out our natural self. Like literally, that's why I decided to do like this V-part wig where it's kind of like that kinky yaki texture, because it matches my natural hair straight in. Then we have the very glowy, dewy skin. We have the face very glowy and dewy. A lot of the things that I have today, I will be linking it down below. I'll link down my hair, even though this is not sponsored by this hair company. But if you are thinking of kind of embracing this kind of vibe for spring, it's gonna look so good on you. Also, these earrings, I got them from Amazon. I know you guys are going to love them because I love them. They are so cute, and it is just screaming that girl. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Go ahead and comment down this secret message right here. That is how I know you watch my videos all the way through. We are locked in, honey, okay? Because if you made it all the way through, you made it all the way through, and you're that girl. All right, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. That is how I know you guys like content like this. If you have any spring related content, don't forget to drop it down in the comment section as well, so I can get that loaded up for you guys onto this month's calendar. Join the team and just do it like Nike by subscribing to my channel. We are lit over this side. We are baddies. We be beating our face, doing our hair, and just hanging out, just lifestyle, just living that lifestyle. Okay, so I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I cannot wait to see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.